Quiz Master.
Hello kids! Welcome to our noun quiz game. Today we will practice finding nouns in a sentences. Remember, nouns are the names of the people, places, animals or things. Let's see how many nouns you can spot. Ready, let's go. Instructions: read each sentence carefully. Find the noun: a person, place, animal or thing. Choose the correct answer from the three options. Number 1. The cat is sleeping on the chair. Number 2. My mother is cooking dinner. Number 3. The dog runs fast. Number 4. We went to the park yesterday. Number 5. The sun is shining. Number 6. She has a red book. Number 7. The teacher is kind. Number 8. They live in a small house. Number 9. I saw a big elephant. Number 10. The river is very long. Number 11. She likes music. Number 12. The baby is crying. Number 13. The car is blue. Number 14. My friend is funny. Number 15. We saw the stars at night. Number 16. He has a new phone. Number 17. The flowers are beautiful. Number 18, the doctor works at the hospital. Number 19, the bird is singing. Number 20, we ate sweet mangoes. It's checking time. Number 1, the correct answer is A, cat. Number 2, the correct answer is B, mother. Question number 3, the correct answer is B, dog. Question number 4, the correct answer is B, park. Number 5, the correct answer is B, sun. Question number 6, the correct answer is C, book. Number 7, the correct answer is A, teacher. Number 8, the correct answer is A, house. Number 9, the correct answer is B, elephant. Number 10, the correct answer is B, river. Number 11, the correct answer is C, music. Number 12, the correct answer is B, baby. Number 13. The correct answer is B, car. Number 14. The correct answer is B, friend. Number 15. The correct answer is A, stars. Number 16. The correct answer is A, phone. Number 17. The correct answer is A, flowers. Number 18. The correct answer is C, doctor. Number 19. The correct answer is A, bird. Number 20. The correct answer is B, mango. Great job, kids! Until our next quiz adventure.